Today we're going to talk about how to make our writing more understandable. This is going to help others when they read what you write, and this is also going to help you to know what you wrote too. We're going to think about where do I need capitals and where do I need end punctuation. Punctuation that is the period or the dot at the end of your idea, or a question mark when you ask something, or an exclamation point when you're showing emotion. So if you're really excited about something or you're really angry about something, that is the punctuation you would use. Now let's look at capitals first. I did a little scavenger hunt around my room and I found some capital letters. Here's one in the picture. It has a capital M for my because that's the first letter in my entire sentence. In the middle picture, I found two capital letters. One is the T for Tuesday and another one is the S for September. Those are names of days of the week and names for months of the year. Again, names need capital letters too. Here's my last picture. This is a book. The book has a name or a title, and the title has capital letters for the first, last, and important words in the title. I also noticed the author's name, and again, names, both first and last names, begin with capital letters. Now, what about punctuation? Punctuation, like those periods, question marks, or exclamation points, that's where my voice stops. So it helps me when I read to put my ideas together, and it also helps other people to know what I wrote too. Here's what I want you to do. I have a paragraph here. I'm going to read it first. While I read, listen carefully to where my voice should stop. Then pause the video and see if you can figure out where you should put punctuation. Ready? Here we go. One day, we traveled to my parents' farm. I gave the cows hay and grain. Later, my sister and I gave bottles of milk to the calves. Finally, we relaxed and devoured food for us. Go ahead and pause the video. Okay, hopefully by now you figured out where my voice stopped. Let's go through it together now. I'm going to say it one more time and figure it out. One day we traveled to my parents' farm. Voice stopped there. I'm going to add a period. I gave the cows hay and grain. Period there. Later, my sister and I gave bottles of milk to the calves. Oh, period there. Finally, we relaxed and devoured food for us. I'm going to put an exclamation point because I'm pretty excited that it was time for our food after all that hard work. Now, notice something. Did I put a period here? Nope. Here? Nope. Nope. Those are the ends of the lines, but that's not where my voice stopped. I can't just put it at the end of the line because I ran out of space. I have to put it where my voice stops, where my idea ends. So I had to do it differently. Now, I need 5 places where I have capital letters. Let's see. Beginning of my sentences, that needs to be a capital. When I have punctuation, I'm going to make the punctuation go from the bottom line, bounce it up like a basketball to make that a capital. Here's my next end mark. Bounce it up like a basketball and make that a capital letter. This one, bounce it up like a basketball, make that a capital. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm missing one more. That one. The last capital letter that I need is going to be the letter I by itself. When the letter I is by itself, it doesn't matter if it's at the beginning of my sentence or not, it always has a capital letter. So that is how I figure out where I need capitals and where I need punctuation. Ahora voy a explicar un poquito en español. Eso es donde se pone las mayúsculas y la puntuación. Para las mayúsculas, para empezar tus oraciones, o cuando es un nombre, puede ser nombre de días de la semana o de los meses o nombre de libro o nombre de lugar o persona. También cuando la palabra yo, I en inglés, es solo, entonces va a requerir mayúscula también. Puntuación, como los puntos o marcas de interrogación o exclamación, van al final de lo que digo. No es al final de cada línea, porque eso no es donde para mi voz.